Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to solve some of the coordinate geometry question taken from the recent past papers. The first question is a line joining A to B. Find the midpoint of AB. Add the two x coordinate values, which is 1 plus 5 divided by 2, then 3 plus 8 divided by 2, which is 6 divided by 2, 3, then 11 divided by 2, which is 5.5. So the midpoint of AB is 3, 5.5. Next part of the question is find the equation of the line AB. Give your answer in the form y is equal to mx plus c. So to find the equation of the line, first let's find out the gradient m. 8 minus 3 divided by 5 minus 1, which is 5 divided by 4. This is the gradient of the line. So the equation of AB is y minus y1. We will take the coordinate of A as x1, y1. So y minus 3 is equal to 5 over 4 times x minus 1. Now expand the brackets. 5 over 4 x minus 5 over 4. Now bring the minus 3 to the right hand side. It will become plus 3. So y is equal to 5 over 4x minus 5 over 4 plus 3. If you take LCM, you get minus 5 plus 12, which is 7 over 4. So 5 over 4 x plus 7 over 4. The next part of the question is the line AB is transformed to the line PQ. Find the coordinate of P and the coordinate of Q after AB is transformed by a translation by the vector. Okay. The coordinate of A is 1, 3. It is translated to the vector P. 1 plus 5 is 6. 3 minus 2. That is, coordinate of P is 6, 1. And B is 5, 8. So 5 plus 5, 8 minus 2, which is 10, 6. So the coordinate of Q is 10, 6. P is 6, 1 and Q is 10, 6. Next part of the question is a rotation through 90-degree anti-clockwise about the origin. So the point AB, the line AB is rotated through 90-degree anti-clockwise. If you draw the line AB, so this is 1, 3, then it will be 5, 8. Okay. When it is rotated through 90-degree anti-clockwise, you'll get the line. In this part, you'll get. So in this part, x value will be negative. So the coordinate of A will become exchange the x and y coordinate value first, 3, 1. So in this quadrant, x value is negative. Okay. So this will become negative 3, 1. And B is 5, 8. After rotation by 90 degree, shift the value of x and y coordinate value, which is 8, 5, and change the x coordinate as negative value, negative 8, 5. The next part of the question is a reflection in the line x equal to 2. Let's mark the points A and B, 1, 3, then 5, 8. This is the line x equal to 2. The distance between A and the reflection line is 1 unit on the left side of the reflection line. Now mark 1 unit on the right side of the reflection line. This will be P. And the distance between the reflection line and the point B is 3 units. Okay. Now mark 3 units towards the left side of the reflection line. This will be negative 1. Okay, this is Q. So what is the coordinate of P? This is 3, 3. And coordinate of Q is negative 1, 8. So P is 3, 3 and Q is negative 1, 8. The next question is AB is a line with midpoint M. A is the point 2, 3 and M is the point 12, 7. Find the coordinate of B. Okay. So let's take the coordinate of B as x, y. And we know the midpoint is 2 plus x divided by 2, 3 plus y divided by 2. And it's given this is equal to 12, 7. That means 2 plus x divided by 2 is 12. So 2 plus x is 24. So then x is 24 minus 2, which is 22. Okay. Then 3 plus y divided by 2 is 7. So 3 plus y is 14. So y is 14 minus 3, which is 11. So 22, 11 is the coordinate of B. Next part of the question is show that the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB is 2y plus 5x equal to 74. Okay, to find the equation of the perpendicular bisector, first we need to find the gradient of the line AB. So the gradient M is y2 minus y1. y2 is 11 minus y1 is 3 divided by x2 is 22 minus 2, which is 8 divided by 20. 4 goes into 8 2 times. 4 goes into 20 5 times. So the gradient is 2 over 5. Gradient of perpendicular bisector of AB is negative 1 divided by gradient of AB, which is negative 5 over 2. Okay, let's write the equation of the perpendicular bisector. The equation of the perpendicular bisector is, here we will take the midpoint as the point which lies on the perpendicular bisector. Okay, we'll take this as x1, y1. So y minus 7 equal to minus 5 divided by 2 times x minus 12. 2y minus 14 is equal to minus 5x plus 60. So 2y minus 5x, when comes to the left hand side, it will become plus 5x. 60 plus 14, which is 74. So 2y plus 5x equal to 74. Hence we proved this. The next part of the question is, the perpendicular bisector of AB passes through the point N. The point N has coordinate 2, n. Find the value of N. The perpendicular bisector of AB passes through the point N. That means the coordinate of N satisfies the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. So let's substitute 2, n in this equation. 2y plus 5x equal to 74. So 2 times n plus 5 times 2 is equal to 74. So 2n is equal to 74 minus 10, which is 64. N is 64 divided by 2, which is 32. So the value of n is 32. Next, point A, M and N form a triangle. Find the area of the triangle. So the coordinate of A is 2, 3. And M is 12, 7. And N is 2, 32. So this is 2, 32. Let's find out the base value and the height value. Here y value is 3 and here it is 32. So the height is 29. And from here to here, the x value is from 2 to 12. So this is 10. So area of the triangle is of multiplied by 29 multiplied by 10, which is equal to 290 divided by 2, which is 145. So the area of the triangle is 145. Next, question number 3. A is the point 0, 4 and B is the point 8, 0. The line L1 is parallel to the x-axis. That means y value is constant. The line L2 passes through A and B. Write down the equation of the line L1. The line L1 is this one. Okay, which is parallel to x-axis, that is y value is constant. So the equation of the line L1 is y is equal to 4. The next part of the question is, Find the equation L2. Give your answer in the form y is equal to mx plus c. Here m is the slope and c is the y-intercept. The line L2 crosses the x-axis at this point, crosses the y-axis at this point. C is 4. So let's find out the gradient. So this point is 0, 4 and this point is 8, 0. Okay, by using these two coordinate values, let's find out the gradient of the line L2. 0, 4 and 8, 0. Y2 is 0, Y1 is 4 and X2 is 8, X1 is 0. So negative 4 divided by 8, which is nothing but negative 1 over 2, is the gradient of the line L2. Let's write the equation of the line L2. Let's take the first point. So y minus 4 is equal to negative 1 over 2 times x minus 0. So y is equal to negative 1 over 2x plus 4. So this is the equation of the line L2, that is y is equal to negative 1 over 2 times x plus 4. The next part of the question is C is the point 2, 3. The line L3 passes through C and is perpendicular to L2. Show that the equation of L3 is y is equal to 2x minus 1. Okay. So for L3, what is the gradient? It's given L3 passes through C and is perpendicular to L2. So if it's perpendicular to L2, that means the gradient of L3 will be minus 1 over the gradient of L2, which is negative 1 over 2. So on simplifying this, we get gradient as 2. So the equation of L3 is y minus y1 is 3, the gradient multiplied by x minus x value is 2. So 2x minus 4 plus 3. So y is equal to 2x minus 4. When the negative 3 comes to the right hand side, it will become positive 3. Y is equal to 2x minus 1. So we proved the equation of the line L3 is y is equal to 2x minus 1. The next part of the question is L3 crosses the x-axis at D. Find the length CD. So it's given the line L3 crosses the x-axis at D. Okay. Then what is the coordinate of D? L3 is y is equal to 2x minus 1. So in that it crosses the x-axis, that is y is 0. Y is 0 means what is the x value? So 1 over 2 comma 0 is the coordinate of D. And C, coordinate of C is 2 comma 3. Length of CD is square root of x2 minus x1, 1 over 2 minus 2 the whole square plus 0 minus 3 the whole square, which is equal to of minus 2 is negative 3 over 2, which is 9 over 4 plus negative 3 square is 9. 45 divided by 4. 3.3. 354. Correct to 3SF, we will write the answer as 3.35. The next question is M as the coordinate 4, 1 and N as coordinate -2, -7. Find the length MN. X2 is -2 minus X1 is 4 the whole square plus Y2 is -7 minus Y1 is 1 the whole square, which is -6 square. So 36 plus -8 square, 64. 36 plus 64 is 100. Square root of 100 is 10. So the length of MN is 10. Find the gradient of MN. Gradient is Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1. So -8 divided by -6, which is equal to, divide the numerator and denominator by -2. So we get 4/3. The next part of the question is find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of MN. To find the perpendicular bisector of MN, first we need to find the midpoint of MN. Midpoint of MN is x1 plus x2. So 4 minus 2 divided by 2. 1 minus 7 divided by 2, which is 2 divided by 2. So 1. -6/2, which is -3. So the midpoint is 1, -3. The gradient of the perpendicular bisector of MN is -1 over gradient of MN. So the gradient of the perpendicular bisector of MN is -1 over 4/3, which is -3/4. So let's write the equation. Y minus -3 is Y1. So it will become +3. And the gradient is -3/4 times x minus 1. -3/4x plus 3/4. The 3 when goes to the right hand side, it will become -3. So y is equal to -3/4x. 3 minus 12 divided by 4, which is -9/4. So y is equal to -3/4x minus 9/4.